Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk through how to apply a visa on arrival tourist e-visa for Indonesia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, nowadays a lot of countries are moving towards e-visas because they're very easy to apply and it provides a lot of convenience to everyone whoever wants to participate in this process. So guys, in front of you I have opened official e-visa website for Indonesia, so you can click on apply. The very first thing is to choose your nationality or country. So I select India. Just sample, you got to do it as per your case. Choose the purpose, so I select general, family and social. Sub purpose, so I select tourism. Want to explore and choose a visa, so let this one B1, visa on arrival. So this grants you 30 days stay, and it says the person who's national of visa on arrival country special entry will be visiting Indonesia for recreational purpose. Details and apply. So you can stay up to 30 days and you can extend it for another 30 days. This is going to be the fee. With this visa, these are the activities you can do. You must comply with these things. Other information. What are the documents you need? Passport for valid for 6 months. Outbound ticket from Indonesia. Return ticket. Of course, visa validity is 90 days. Fine. Click on apply. How you're gonna do? So with this, like if you're granted this visa on arrival, you can get the approval. Then once you go there, then it can be granted to you. So the very first thing is to upload the bio page of your passport and your photo. Then go to the next stage. So I'm gonna go to the next stage and I'm gonna see you guys. Now after you go through that page, it picks up the visa type that you have selected. V1 visa type 30 days. Name, gender, place of birth, date of birth, phone number, document type, passport, nationality, address. We are gonna stay in Indonesia. Okay. Main document, your passport. I don't know why they have asked to upload again. Contact confirmation. Next you will go and there you're gonna review submit. Okay, and then you're gonna pay. Okay, and then if everything goes smooth, you're all good to go if it is applicable to you. So thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.